In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say something on Whatnot. Whatnot is a live shopping platform where sellers stream in real time and viewers chat alongside the show. If you've ever watched a stream and wondered exactly where to type your message, this walkthrough will make it clear and simple. First, open your web browser and go to the Whatnot website. Give the homepage a moment to load. You'll see featured shows, categories, and a search bar. The goal is to find the specific seller you want to talk to. From the homepage, browse for a seller. You can scroll through featured lives, select a category that matches your interest, or use the search bar to look up a seller by name. Take a second to confirm they're currently live. If you want them to see your message right away, you'll usually see a live indicator or a show card when they're streaming. Once you found the seller you're interested in, click on that seller to open their page. This brings you into their show or profile where the video player and community tools are located. Now that you're on the seller's page, look to the right hand side of the screen. That panel is where most of the interaction happens during a live show, including chat, pinned items, and sometimes giveaways. If you're on a smaller screen or using the mobile app, the chat may appear at the bottom or behind a chat icon, but it will still be clearly labeled. At the bottom part of that right-hand panel, you'll see the chat box. This is where you can type to join the conversation. It usually shows a placeholder like "say something," and you might see messages from other viewers scrolling above it. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to log in before your message can be posted, which is normal for most live chats. Click into the area that says "say something," then type what you want to say. Keep your message friendly and relevant to the stream, avoid sharing personal information, and be mindful of the seller's rules and the platform's community guidelines. Short, clear messages are easier to catch in a fast-moving chat. When you're ready, press enter or click the send icon to post. Your message should appear instantly in the chat feed, visible to the seller and the audience. If there's slow mode enabled, you might need to wait a moment before sending another message. That's all there is to it. You went to Whatnot, landed on the homepage, browsed for a seller, opened their page, found the chat on the right, and used the say something box to type your message. With these steps, you can confidently participate in any live show, ask questions about items, cheer on a win, or simply say hello, enjoy the conversation, and have fun exploring new streams.